Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change payments pin on Opay. The first thing is open up your Opay app and then you tap on the me icon at the bottom here, this one, tap on it, and at the top here you tap on this gear icon here. So once you tap on it, you go to payment settings, the second option here, tap on it, and you can see the first option under payment pin. We have change payment pin, tap on change payment pin. Now you have to enter the previous payment pin. After entering the previous payment pin, an OTP will be sent to your phone. Now this OTP will be detected by your phone automatically and entered, but in case it is not, you need to enter it manually by checking your message. Get the OTP and enter it. After entering your OTP, you'll be asked to enter the last 6 digits of your BVN. That's the BVN links to your Opay account. So once you've entered the last 6 digits, then you tap on verify. After tapping on verify, you'll be asked to input your new payment pin. And don't forget, your new payment pin and your old payment pin cannot be the same. So tap to enter a new payment pin of 4 digits. After which, you have to confirm the new payment pin by inputting it again. So once you do this, you've automatically changed your payment pin on Opay.